What's up, YouTube? It's your boy KINGLATTA. Welcome back to Black Investors Group, where we make money easy, man. And today, as you can see from the title, I am going to be going over a 5-minute quick review over the crypto trading platform Novitech. So after the intro, let's get into it. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy KINGLATTA at KINGLATTA TV on YouTube. That's my main channel. This is the investment channel. Welcome back to Black Investors Group, man. So let's get into it right now. If you are a investor, if you are interested in the cryptocurrency, if you are interested in the crypto markets, Novitech is for you, okay? But on the other hand, if you are a risky, if you're a scared person, you know what I'm saying? If you're scared to invest your money, if you only have $300 to invest, Novitech might not be for you. Stay tuned and you'll see why. Novitech is a crypto investing platform that allows you to open a PAM account, which gives you 3% return on interest, compound interest a week. 3% compound interest a week. It can't get no better than that. It's 4 weeks in a month, guys. 3 times 4, 12%, man. You can't get no better than that. But it is on an average 3%. They don't guarantee you a 3% return. Some weeks may be over. Some weeks maybe 3.5 to 4%, and some weeks maybe 2.5 to 2%. 1 week we had a 1.3, I think. You know what I'm saying? But it averages out to that 3%. Also, Novitech pays out every Friday on your bonus account, which is the money that you made on your interest. They pay that every Friday, and it's completely withdrawable whenever you want it to be. Okay, guys? Now, if you want to withdraw from your trading account, this is where some people, you know, the big investors get a little, they think it's a little sketchy, because it takes 7 to 14 days to withdraw your money from your trading account, guys. So keep that in mind. This is it's not a make money fast crypto investing account, guys. You know what I'm saying? You put your money in, you make 3% a week, compound, and it just stacks up and stacks up, okay? So you don't want to really put your money in if it's your emergency funds money. You want to only put your investment savings that you have and put this into Novitech so you can make a couple of dollars or a lot of dollars on this platform, guys. Now, guys, there is 3 simple steps to getting your money and depositing your money into Novitech, guys. Now, it's not like a regular bank account with another account hooked up to it. No, you have your bank account, you have a crypto wallet, and then you got Novitech. Okay, so you got 3 different platforms, 3 different websites that you have to go through to deposit or withdraw your money. So you're gonna take your money from your bank account and you're gonna put it in your crypto wallet. Okay, you can use Coinbase, Crypto.com, FTX, Binance.us is what I use. Okay, but now you have to transfer that money to cash, to Bitcoin, and put it into Novitech. Okay, guys, I got a video on how to deposit and withdraw your money from Novitech, guys. I am not promoting Novitech. I am not telling you to put your money into Novitech. Novitech and crypto period, there is a big risk factor, okay, guys? In this PAM account, guys, Novitech has never missed a payment. They've been paying strong in these PAM accounts for 4 years strong. 4 years strong, not a missed payout, all on-time payouts in these PAM accounts, 3% compound interest a week. Now, on the other hand, it is cryptocurrency. There is still a big risk if they don't pay out, or if they pay a 0.5%. You can't get mad, guys. It is a big risk in this crypto world. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to put anything bad on Novitech, but I have heard that 200s of 400s and millions of dollars have been getting hacked from other crypto platforms, through like Korean hackers, Chinese hackers and stuff, okay? But I'm gonna make you feel real good right here. I'm gonna make you feel real good right here, man. Watch this, watch this. Novitech security is top notch, guys. Novitech has 3 different security forms so that you won't get hacked and so that their platform won't get hacked. One of them being there is a Google two-factor authenticator, so only you can control your money through this two-factor authenticator. That the password changes every 20 seconds, guys. Come on. And then, unlike most crypto wallets, your crypto wallet address to deposit money into Novatech changes every 24 hours, so there will not be any backtracking allowed, guys. Okay, and then third, there is a PIN number that you have to put in, to confirm that it's you every time you want to touch your money. I advise that you put it as the same PIN number as your bank account. But yes, guys, Novatech is completely legit. I have a lot of money into Novatech and I trust it. But on the other hand, it is a, go big or go home type situation. You know what I'm saying? If you want to put in a couple $1,000s of your own money so you can make some real return on your interest, you know what I'm saying? I advise you to do it now while it's hot, before this thing isn't guaranteed anymore. Because me personally, you know what I'm saying, I believe that the rates are going to be strong and that they're still going to have strong payouts at that 3% range for at least another 2 years strong, guys. And if you do the math, if you start with $2,000 in 2 years, guys, in 2 years you'll have over $25,000 in your trading account, guys. So, you know what I'm saying? You can put your money in, you can let it stack up and keep compounding every Friday, and, stack it up and get a 400% return. Or you could put, a lot of people, what they do is they'll put a lot of money in, you know what I'm saying? They'll put in $50,000 or even $100,000. I know a lot of people with $100,000 in, guys. And, they get that $10,000 a month in interest. Yes. 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 That 100,000 stacks up and it gets to $10,000 a month. You know what I'm saying? $2,000 a week you can make off of this platform. And with as little as about, I believe, $5,000 of your own money in there and your trading account, you will be making $100 to $200 a week. That is a whole bill right there, guys. So, you know what I'm saying? Novatech also has a very beautiful crypto affiliate marketing option, guys. This affiliate marketing allows you to make 5% off of whoever you recruit into the program, guys, and they can start making money as well as you. And you know what I'm saying? So you can make 5% off of them, and whoever they recruit, you can make 2.5% off of them. Whoever they recruit, you can make 1.2%, and then it just keeps going down the tree, guys. Okay? Now, when you share your code, when you hit the link in the description to get your code to sign up for Novatech, link in description, sign up for Novatech, because you don't want to miss out on this easy money, guys. When you get that link, you will be saving your first $25 membership fee. $25 membership fee, free on me. It's your boy KINGLATTA, man, and I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please make sure you like, please make sure you subscribe. It's for more content, more ways to make money easy, and more passive income streams that you can build for yourself and your family, man. Please make sure you join the family Black Investors group, and we're out of here.